everyone! I'm host Shazny and welcome back to my YouTube channel. At kung bago ka pa lang sa YouTube channel ko, welcome to our YouTube tutorial series. So for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to download pictures or videos in your Facebook account with the HD quality. So kung HD quality yung pinag-uusapan natin guys, so it's very high resolution at it can make your pictures and videos in your Facebook na mag-upload kayo guys in clear talaga siya guys, and it's very nice resolution. So in my case guys, I always uploading pictures and videos for you guys na ma-update ko kayo, and I always upload my cover song videos, my gig videos, and everything pictures na related sa aking YouTube channel dun sa Facebook page ko guys. So by the way, kung hindi pa kayo naka-follow at nag-like sa aking Facebook page guys, please like this and follow this page. At dyan ako nagpo-post ng mga updates ko guys. So ang problema natin guys, pag nag-upload tayo sa Facebook is talagang malulow yung quality ng ating mga pictures, and also talagang malulow talaga yung quality ng ating mga videos guys. At talagang pangit talaga siya. So that's my number one problem guys pag nag-upload tayo ng mga videos at pictures sa Facebook. Alam kong hindi lang ako yung may problema dito guys, pati rin kayo. So may mga magaganda tayong mga pictures and videos na i-upload natin sa ating Facebook, pero si Facebook ay nilolow yung quality ng ating mga ina-upload guys. So ang ginagawa ko guys, nag-tutor talaga ako sa aking Facebook app. Talagang naghahanap talaga ako ng mga details on how to make my videos and my pictures in HD quality. And luckily guys, nahanap ko na rin. So kung gusto mong malaman, tapusin mo tong video para malaman mo. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to upload your pictures and videos in Facebook in HD quality. So bago tayo pupunta sa ating home screen guys, i-like mo na tong video na to at mag-subscribe ka sa YouTube channel ko para mas updated ka sa mga susunod na tutorial videos na i-upload ko dito guys. Are you ready? So no further ado, let's start! So that's it. Thank you for watching guys. I hope natulungan ko po kayo. At kung natulungan ko po kayo, please comment down below and let me know para malaman ko. And if you like this video guys, please like this video, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates and for more YouTube tutorials na ituturo ko sa inyo guys. At dito lang tayo nagtatapos. Thank you so much for watching guys. Thank you so much. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye!